Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss the most important knowledge of 2021, part 1. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi led foundation stone on lighthouse project at 6 sites across 6 states through video conference on 1st January 2021. Next point, K. Shivan gets 1 year extension as chairman of ISRO. ISRO, the Indian Space Research Organization, was founded by Vikram Sarabhai in 1969. It is headquartered in Bengaluru. Next point, Mukesh Ambani ranked 12th Bloomberg Billionaires Index 2021. Next, the US Congress has passed Malala Yousafzai Scholarship Act to increase the number of scholarships for Pakistani women in higher education under merit and needs-based programs. Malala Yousafzai is an Pakistani activist for female education and has won a Nobel Prize. She is the youngest in the world to achieve Nobel Prize. Next point, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has addressed National Meteorology Conclave via video conferencing on January 4, 2021. The senior-most judge of Delhi Court, Justice Hima Kohli, has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Telangana High Court. So, Hima Kohli is appointed as Chief Justice of Telangana High Court. This is K. Shivan, Chairman of ISRO, Mukesh Ambani, Hima Kohli, and Malala Yousafzai. The Chief Minister of Bihar, Nitish Kumar, has inaugurated the first ever bird festival of the state, Kalrao, at Nagi Natki Bird Sanctuary located in Jamui district. Chief Minister of Bihar, Nitish Kumar, has inaugurated the bird festival named Kalrao at Nagi Natki Bird Sanctuary. This Nagi Natki Bird Sanctuary is located in Jhajjar, Jamui district of South Bihar. The first of its kind labor movement museum in India would be launched in Alappuzha in Kerala to showcase the history of the world labor movement. Alappuzha is a city in Kerala. It is best known for houseboat and Kerala's backwaters. Then Joe Biden became the 46th President of United States. He swore the oath of office moments after Kamala Harris, who became America's first woman Vice President. Next, the Gujarat state government has renamed dragon fruit as Kamalam. Next point, one of the oldest train of Indian Railway, the Howrah Kalka Mail, has been renamed as Netaji Express. This is Joe Biden, Kamala Harris, and this is dragon fruit, which is renamed as Kamalam. This is Netaji Express. The Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar PMRBP for the year 2021 has been conferred to 32 children hailing from 32 districts of 21 states and union territories. Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar is a civilian honor of India. It was first awarded in 1996. The incumbent President of Portugal, Marcelo Rebelo de Sousa, has won second 5-year term after winning the 2021 Portuguese presidential election with its landslide victory. Portugal is a southern European country on Iberian Peninsula bordering Spain. Its capital is Lisbon. In Madhya Pradesh, Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has launched a new scheme, Punk Abhiyan, on 24 January to mark the occasion of National Girl Child Day. Next point. The Kerala government is all set to launch Rs 300 crore 3 tower gender park in Kozhikode. The park will become functional on occasion of the second edition of International Conference on Gender Equality. Logo of Punk Abhiyan and Gender Park, which is in Kozhikode, Kerala. This is President of Portugal, Marcelo Rebelo de Sousa. The Finance Minister, Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman, introduced Budget 2021-22 on February 1st, 2021 amidst the COVID-19 pandemic. Next, the Indian American Bhavya Lal has been appointed as the acting chief of staff of the US Space Agency by National Aeronautics and Space Administration NASA. NASA was founded in 1958 by Dwight D. Eisenhower. Then, the Oxford Hindi word of the year 2020 is Atmanirbharata, meaning self-reliance. So note the word Oxford Hindi word of the year 2020 is Atmanirbharata, and Bhavya Lal has been appointed as acting chief of staff of US Space Agency, and Nirmala Sitharaman introduced Budget 2021-22 on February 1st, 2021. So, in tennis, Japan's Naomi Osaka won her fourth Grand Slam title on February 20, 2021 after she beat American Jennifer Brady in the women's single game of Australian Open Final 2021. Naomi Osaka is a Japanese tennis player. She has been ranked as number 1 by the Women's Tennis Association and first Asian player to hold the top ranking in the singles. Next, among Indian cities with a population of more than a million, Bangalore has emerged as the best city on Ease of Living Index. The IT capital of India has pushed the earlier top ranker Pune to number 2, while Ahmedabad ranked the third among 111 other cities. This Ease of Living Index is released by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Next, the 63rd edition of the annual Grammy Awards ceremony was held in Los Angeles on March 14, 2021. These are the winners. Best Album of the Year, Folklore by Taylor Swift. Then Record of the Year, Everything I Wanted by Billie Eilish. Best New Artist, Megan Thee Stallion. And Best Rap Album, King's Disease by Nas. This is Taylor Swift, this is Billie Eilish, and this is Ease of Living Index 2020 logo. The Gandhi Peace Prize for the year 2019 is being conferred on late Majesty Sultan Qaboos bin Said Al Said of Oman. And on the other hand, Gandhi Peace Prize for year 2020 is being conferred on Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Finland ranks as the world's happiest country based on the 2021 report with a score of 7.842 out of the total score of 10. It is released by World Happiness Index. India ranks 139th in World Happiness Report 2021. This is Sultan Qaboos bin Said Al Said, and this is Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. By this, we end our video. Let's continue this on next video. Thank you and have a great day.